Problem number 4 on our 8-4 extra practice. And in this one, we've got an angle that's right here. And so this is the angle that I'm focusing on for this problem. From this angle, I'm going to identify these other two parts. This 11 is right next to this, so you might be tempted to say it's adjacent to it. It's true that it is adjacent to it, but because it's opposite the right angle, it's going to bear the name hypotenuse. Okay, even though it's right next to it, it's going to be called the hypotenuse. The x is also right next to this 28, which means it's going to get the name adjacent because it is not a hypotenuse, right? So we've got an adjacent and hypotenuse. So let's see here. We've got sine, cosine, and tangent. The only one that uses adjacent and hypotenuse is the cosine. So we do the cosine of 28 degrees equals the adjacent, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 11. All right, so now when the variable's in the numerator and I need to get rid of this denominator, the way that we're going to do that is we're going to multiply both sides by that denominator. What this accomplishes on this side is that those 11s would cancel, leaving me on the right-hand side of this equation with just my x. On the left-hand side of my equation, I have 11 times the cosine of 28. So now I know what I'm going to put in my calculator. So grab my calculator here, turn it on, come on, clear. So I'm going to do 11 times the cosine of 28. 11 times the cosine of 28. 9.71. So if we round it off, we get 9.7 is the answer to this question. Hopefully that's helpful for you if you got this one wrong originally. If you have any questions, you know you can always ask Mr. Harmless.